Want to display your name on your iPhone's lock screen? Whether it's for personalization or in case your iPhone gets lost, there is a clever trick using focus mode that lets you do this easily. In this guide, I will show you exactly how. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Focus. Now tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and select Custom. Give your focus a name. This is where you can type your actual name or anything you want to appear on your lock screen. Choose a color and icon. This part is optional and then tap on Next. Follow the on-screen instructions and skip the people and app selection by going back. Now go back to the focus section or access the focus section in the control center and select your newly created focus mode. Once selected, your focus name will now appear on the lock screen when this focus is active. Finally, turn on your focus mode. And that's it. Your name will now be visible on the lock screen. You can create multiple focus modes with different names like work, gaming, or even your phone number in case someone finds your device. That's how you can easily add your name to your iPhone lock screen using the simple focus trick. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips on iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.